Trying to find a TikTok video you watched earlier? Can't remember where you saw it? Here's how to check your TikTok watch history. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make social media tips and tech tutorials simple and beginner-friendly. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app on your smartphone. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your account page. Step 2. Look at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap the three-line menu icon to open account settings. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section manages all account preferences and privacy controls. Step 4. Scroll down through the Settings menu. Tap Activity Center to view your TikTok activity data. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. We share simple TikTok tutorials, app tips, and smartphone tricks to help you master your favorite apps. Step 5. Inside Activity Center, tap Watch History. TikTok will display a list of videos you recently watched. Step 6. Tap Filter by Date at the top of the screen. Choose options like Yesterday, Last Week, Last Month, or Custom Date Range. Step 7. Scroll through the videos in your selected date range. Tap any video to watch it again instantly. Now you know exactly how to view your TikTok watch history and find videos you watched earlier. If you want to learn more TikTok tricks like clearing watch history, privacy settings, and hidden features, check out the next tutorial on Preyo Phonie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.